pushing and pulling people off. Keep pushing and pushing and pulling people off.
Andito ka ba, Dexter? Ah, nasa baba ka.
Tangina.
ako.
Si
Yeah,
Saskin.
mamamatay lang. Need to go.
Okay, I'll go Ravager.
Or-
Mahirap.
Actually, Shadowmancer is good here, man.
Let's clear.
You
Let's
sure you
clear
wanna
five,
check?
Clear 5. People on 5.
Okay,
Start pushing towards the center.
Hindi ako makawa...
Kasi
ano eh.
club
Towards the
sila
center,
eh.
guys. Start pushing towards the center.
Hindi, we just need the healer
Start pushing
talaga,
towards
man.
the center.
Para tumagal. Para tumagal tayo.
Dito kami lang din sa
namamatay
side
lang
na
din
yun,
ako
ah.
eh.
Start pushing towards the center.
Trickling down tayo eh.
Asan si ano? Nasa gitna si
Control.
Sasuke.
Oo,
Alright,
okay
let's
lang
try
si
to control
Saskin nun. Abot naman siya.
Towards 4, towards
Post,
4.
binush na naman
Just
ako.
control towards 4. Oh, shit, there's still
Na
people
talaga.
on 5.
Pinupunteriya ako.
Sorry,
Ayan.
pag na-push.
Okay,
Oh,
di-
dude.
kailangan Shadow Dancer. Main ano?
Hindi ako ano, man. Beck, where na you?
Andito me!
Just keep pulling and pushing people, guys. Keep
Just
pulling and
dying,
pushing
dude.
people.
I'm just dying.
Pass by the other side. Wala na. Kanina pa ako tinatarget
Prioritize
eh.
pulls from 6.
Apat-apat yun nasa
Prioritize
akin eh.
pulls from 6. Prioritize pulls from 6. Push them. Push them out. Push them out.
Other than that, grapple.
Okay ka lang, Dexter.
Sa side,
Bakit
sa
papalit
side.
ka?
Sa 5 side.
Sa 5 ako.
Okay.
Sige lang.
Oh my
Huwag ka dyan
god.
dumaan.
Layo
Huwag ka
mo.
dyan dumaan.
Layo mo dyan, Marbs.
Marvin.
Heal, heal.
I think we need to wipe we need to wipe 4. I think we need to wipe 4.
O yan. From dito ka. Sa likod na to.
Alright. Okay, we have numbers now. Start clearing the center.
Dito kayo. Dito kayo sa
you know
side
what?
na to. Dito kayo sa
Instead
side
of clearing the center, everybody go to 4. Clear 4.
Clear 4 daw,
Everybody
clear 4. Go to 4. Go to 4.
Clear 4. Everybody go. Clear 4. Everybody.
Sige, D. Trickster. Ano
Clear
kayo?
4.
Naka-barrier kayo.
That's their numbers over there.
Pabalik ako.
Last ka doon.
Nice.
Dalatagan ko si Sasuke.
Clear 4. I'm coming back.
Sige lang.
Start
Okay.
clearing 4, guys. Clear 4.
Sige lang. In control pa
Okay,
kami, in
we
control.
clear 4 for now.
Marvin.
Clear 4 for now.
Nakatulog lang.
Okay, okay.
We clear 4. Clear 4 for now.
Nahulog ka? Okay. Focus ako
Clear
kay
4.
Trickster.
Alright, we're clearing
Tsaka
4.
kay-
We're clearing
Pinulog
Oh my
ako
god,
ako.
natulak ako Marvin ha.
Ano? Pala
Sige,
tayo.
dito pa ako.
Alright, start looking into the center.
Puta.
Center.
Timing mo
Start
na.
moving.
Nalaglag ka din?
Start moving to the center.
Hindi.
Clearing
Sabihin niyo
center,
pag
clearing
nalaglag
center,
kayo,
clearing
ah.
center, guys. Clearing center. Big AoEs.
Clear center daw, clear
Sasuke,
center.
can you disrupt the middle?
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Disrupt the middle. Disrupt the middle.
Sorry, hindi mo yung tumitira sa'yo Marvin. Wala.
Ay, no.
Hindi
That was
aabot.
Everybody
That was
disrupt,
big.
disrupt the middle. Big
Can
AoEs
you-
in the middle.
can you change the target?
All AoEs, all
CDN
skills,
mo?
all AoEs in the middle.
CD.
Devastating
CD.
smashes in the middle. Come on.
Nakay
Devastating
Saskin ng
smashes in the middle,
ang
guys.
lead.
Ay, Zaskan, can you pass the lead if you can? Kay D.
We need to wipe them out.
Ah,
We need
shit.
to wipe them
Nilaglag
out.
na
We
naman
need to
ako.
wipe them
Tang
out.
ina. Wala ako dyan, ha? Wala ako dyan.
Oh my god.
How do you get up?
Sa kaliwa.
Oh no.
Tigil.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my
We
god, grabe.
need to
Patay
wipe
si
them out.
Saskin.
We might wipe.
Patay ka ba? Spec.
Oo, kakapatay ko dun. Hinihil ko si Zaskin.
Recap.
Ang grabe yung tumitira sa kanya.
Fuck, I'm down again. I'm down.
Sino pang buhay dyan?
Go. Pinaka-barrier, yun ah.
Damn, bro.
I'm back. All skills on the boon. All
Wala.
skills
Kakabalik ko lang.
on the boon.
Wala. Hindi kita mahabot. Sige lang.
Is it
Tayo
possible to
kayo,
get
ah.
someone on 6?
Sige.
All skills on boon right now. Bomb the boon. We're going to start
We need to
capping.
prevent them from getting it.
All right, we have it.
Nakap na, recap na. Magkakap na sila ulit.
Pero regardless ng number
Si, oh my god, teka.
Coming down, coming
back.
Patay ako,
Kanina
patay
na lang
Alright, now
ako.
they're at 6. Can you
Oh
position
my
to
God.
6? Position to 6 and push them. Push and pull them. Push and pull them. Push and pull them. Push and pull them.
Nahila ako,
Patay ako.
natulak ako.
Okay, I'll wait for you down here. Everybody, meet up
Sige, sige,
or
sige.
ano?
Regroup tayo sa baba, right before nung grappler.
Kurt,
Alright,
I think
I'm down.
we need to do a full regroup because we're
How many more minutes?
Ang daming
We're
bumaba
trickling.
na ano.
Alright, big regroup. Big regroup.
Trickling in. Pag mag-regroup tayo,
Let's be
Pag-
quick though, because
Pag-akit
we
na
wanna
pag-akit ko,
keep the
nihihila
cap
ako
on
eh.
the boom.
Push. Kitang-kita na yan eh. Push and pull yan, man.
Alright, head to
Go,
Dukes.
Pat. Saan tayo? Pat?
Go. Big
Sabay-sabay
regroup, guys.
tayo.
Big regroup. I want tanks to go in
Steady.
first. Come on. Big regroup.
Dito, tinitira
Don't
sila
go too
dito
close
eh.
yet. Don't go too close yet. Don't go too close yet because you're gonna get hit there. Big regroup.
Atas na onti. Oh my god, man.
Big regroup. Come on. Everybody up.
Hurry up, let's go up. Let's go up.
Ay.
Go. Buff up.
Go.
Go up. Start pulling people. Start pulling and pushing people right away. Start pulling and pushing people. Go. Start pulling and pushing people right away. Pull and push people right away.
Fuck.
Ang dami gago.
Grabe.
Si Whiskey.
Whiskey's here. Whiskey's on me.
Sige, port tayo. Para wala tayo sa club.
Hindi ka
Tara,
abot
support tayo.
lang yung Marvin. Nasaan
I
ka?
can't, bro. I can't get
Don't
up
let
there,
Whiskey go back.
bro.
Don't let
We're
Whiskey
getting
go back.
attacked
Don't
down
let Whiskey
here
go back.
before
Okay,
the...
lipat kami sa 4.
Sa 4. Punta ka sa 4.
May
Daka sa
nagbilang
likod.
lang dito sa ano.
Everybody that's at the bottom go up. And then stay on the piton by 3. Stay on the piton by 3 and
Kaya tinulak na naman CD.
regroup. Delay the regroup.
Kaya pandaan dito.
Wala, kailangan mo umikot sa 1, men.
Ayun, ano.
Ay, nakaakyat ka.
We need to push and pull.
Patay ko. Hindi yan na low piece dito.
Oh, naku, putang ina nito.
Tek, sa taas ka na?
Gago, si Iri-iri ang puta, ayaw kong tantanan.
Bomb the moon. All skills
Ang ina nito.
on the moon.
Okay na.
On the moon.
Thank you.
On the moon. Come on. Wipe it. And once you wipe the middle,
Oh no.
go to 5. Flex, stay on 1. And
Ano
cut
ba
the regroup.
umakit? Yan po okay.
Stay on 1 and cut the regroup.
Siya pinaproblema yung akyat.
Wala, pag umikot ako dun sa kabila, patay ako eh.
Coming back.
Sama kita.
Okay lang yan, gagawin kita hagdan dyan bukas.
Dito na ako.
Sige kita. Saan ka, Marv?
Coming back.
Saan ka?
Dito na ako, katabi ni Sven! Ay!
Ina mo ka.
Sa taas ka na?
Big group coming back up.
Oh,
coming back up,
no!
guys.
Teka, huwag ka muna masyadong tumulak dyan.
Big group coming back.
Putang ina ako. Salamat na yun.
Recap.
Pitas-pitas ka lang.
1. There's a lot of people on 1. Shit, I got feared. There's no one on 5. Go 2 and 1. That's where they are.
Mahirap
Start
dun sa...
pulling people. Start pulling
Ano?
and pushing people.
Kaya nga umikot ako eh. Wala akong makitang daan na dun pala sa
Putang
kabila.
inan to, hayop. Pinush na naman ako.
We need a cap.
May capping
We need
power
a
ba tayo?
cap.
Sagot natin.
Someone cap.
Yata eh.
Si Saskin.
Someone
Oh,
cap.
no.
Come on.
Justin, you
Ang
can
inang
cap.
silence yan. Nakap na.
Parang hindi ko na
They're coming
nahihil
back.
si
They're
ano.
coming back. There's a lot of them.
Si
Go.
ano, siguro
Disrupt
nahihili.
them, guys. Don't let them go up.
What's happening? Parang hindi ko nahihil si
May
Trickster.
nagkakap ah.
By the piton. Push people out.
Ay, nanghihil na.
Push people out.
Please, heal.
Oh my god, natulak ako.
Heal.
Yan na, nangina.
Thank you.
Pumasok na ba?
Atas ka, Marvin! Marvin, atas ka na onti.
Si Saskin.
Ito.
Disrupt them, disrupt them, disrupt them. I want people on the pitons, while we have it, while we have the cap.
Help, heal.
Pitons.
Puno ka pa.
You have to disrupt them,
I can't, I'm
disrupt
stuck.
them.
Uy, gago.
I can't move.
Sino yung bumatay sa akin? Si Airy.
Yung Airy, lagi nandun sa area natin
Oh my god. Push, wala ako dyan ha, wala ako dyan.
Yep, I'm moving
Sige,
back.
sige.
Dami ko na patay.
Si Trickster, si Trickster.
Asan
Bomb
ka?
the piton, everybody, focus on piton, focus on
eh.
piton, focus on piton right now, focus on piton right now. Piton.
Sa kanina push, nandun lang
Come on,
ako.
disrupt them. Disrupt them.
Sige, dito nga tayo sa Piton, tangina. Dito tayo. Kay
Focus
kung
bombing
saan
on
si
Piton.
D.
Focus bombing on Piton right now.
Bigay na kayo,
Piton, come on.
Zaskin? Yung ano?
Oh my god, tulak na naman
Nice
ako.
pull, Zaskin. Come on.
Sige lang, ibomba natin dito lahat ng heal sa sa Piton.
Piton, guys. Don't let them
Marv,
come
you good,
in.
Marv?
Don't let them come in.
Yeah. Uy, grapple. Dito na ako kay FA!
Don't let them come in.
Ito na.
5 minutes.
Pinagkakap sila.
Ano na.
Sige lang, stay lang tayo dito sa
5
Piton,
minutes.
Dito namin bubomba lahat ng heal ha.
Nakalatag lang lahat ng heal dito.
Alright, some people go 5.
Parang nawala sila.
Some people go 5. Flex, can you go 5? Flex, can you go 5? Big group on 5.
Sa likod.
Everybody on 5 right now.
Everybody on 5.
Everybody on 5.
Lipad.
5. Everyone on 5. Push.
I got you.
On 5. Guys,
Gago,
push.
sorry.
Siya sa 5,
Nahulog ako, gago.
Marvin, hindi ko
Nahulog
ma-heal.
ako.
Ba,
Ano, tumakit dito? Anong
sa gilid.
daanan
Talong
dito?
ka. Meron grapple dyan.
Nasa 5 kayo? Nasa 5 kayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Talon ako, may
Okay.
Sige.
Summon gates.
Ikot na lang ako.
I think we need to put down summon gates now.
Ay, pinush ako, puta.
On 5. Someone put summon gates. They got cap. Recap. Everybody on 5. On 5.
A1, A2.
Everybody on 5. I want everybody on 5. On 5.
Oh my God.
Uy! Putang ina, hindi ako makaabot dun sa inyo. man.
Someone working on summoning gate, we need to match it.
Damn.
Otherwise we're gonna lose this
On 5.
Pinush na naman
Don't
ako.
let them push.
Grabe.
I'm down.
Pag pinush sa
Yan,
kabila,
hindi na
walang
kaya.
grapple sa kabila, dude.
Everybody on 5. Let go of 4. Let go of 4.
A1, A2. Nandito na naman silang lahat. Sige, supporta ako si Saskin.
Sige.
Wala ba tayong ano? Resurrection?
Oo nga, guild summon, no?
Kakagamit lang.
Shield summon?
Yung resurrection kakagamit lang. Summon di pa.
It won't let me
Patay ako.
grapple.
Okay, I'll
3
wait.
minutes, kaya yan, man.
Babalik ako.
I'll wait.
Ayun, step up, step
up. Nakakaano ko
Summon
lang.
gates up.
pop defensive.
Marv, don't go, Marv.
Alright, everybody.
Summon.
Summon gates.
Go.
Yun eh.
Alright, everybody when we
Take it,
push,
take it.
Guardians up, okay? Guardians up.
Guardians
and
up,
Red
ah.
Pa-heal
Rapids up.
spec ha? Pa-heal spec.
Asa si Marvin? Ayun.
Ito.
Go. Push. Guardians and
Tara.
remedies.
Teka, ano di Trickster, wala akong ano sa inyo.
Push and pull
Ito,
people out.
unahin mo
guys.
to,
Push and
unahin mo
pull
na
people
ganun
out. I want the
Sige, go, push.
point 5 cleared out.
Dito ako lang sa tabi ko,
Clear
Marvin.
point 5.
Pitas-pitas ka lang dito.
Recap. Zaskin, can you cap?
Uy! Ano yun?
Bam.
Oh,
Gagi!
Si Saskin, oh shit.
Marion, drop
Pwede pa yun.
Drop a smoke on Zaskin when he's
He's getting
capping.
bombed.
Drop a smoke on Zaskin when he's capping.
Drop a smoke on Zaskin.
Guys, we have to clear 5. We have to clear them out. But we have to
2 minutes,
we
1
have
minute,
to cap
1
out.
minute.
We have to cap. We have to cap.
May
Balik
summon
na,
pa,
meron tayo,
may summon pa.
May summon.
Someone needs to cap. We need to cap. We need to cap.
Kitty, put a shield on me.
Help.
Shield?
Hold on.
Okay, go.
Bam. Alright, go 5. Push 5.
Gago, pinulo ko.
Push 5.
Ayop.
Push.
Uy!
Right now.
Uy!
Push 5 right now.
Ano yun? Naka-cancel yung cap.
Uy, ano yun?
The cap.
Putang
We need to
ina!
cap again. We need to cap
Sisi na
again.
to,
We need to cap again.
gago!
We need to cap. Yeah, there's
Shield,
overtime.
shield. Marvin.
Please,
Oh my
cap,
god,
cap.
ang bilis na down nung ano mo, man.
Grabe, man! Dude, aga,
Instant.
boom! Knock up! Dude, wala! Hindi ako
We're
magawa!
clearing
Kaya
them out.
nga,
We're
hindi
clearing
ko
them out.
maano kailangan ko ibagsak kay nag-ano siya. Nag-clear siya dun sa...
Kill their magic users.
Ay, ayan.
One more spec.
Ano gagawin ko? Shield kita? Blessed Barrier?
Yep,
Ready?
yep, yep,
Yeah.
yep.
3, 2,
Ready?
1, go!
Go.
Ano yun?
Control center guys. Control center guys. Piton.
Nice
There's a lot
one.
of people on the Piton again. Control Piton.
Oh my god, I died.
Control
I died.
Piton.
Ang ina pa ako dito.
Last.
Saan ka?
46 seconds.
Bilis.
Control the Piton again.
Balik agad.
Piton again guys.
Overtime,
Ano,
overtime.
Dito pa kami ni Zask. Dito pa kami ni Zask.
Cap. We need a cap. 39 seconds.
I can go up.
Cap.
Dami nila sa kabila.
We need a cap. We need
May
cap
summon
so
pa,
that
may
it doesn't go
summon pa.
overtime.
Sama pa
Sige,
ba?
sige, di.
Oo, may summon pa.
Someone cap, please. Someone cap. We need a cap.
Tulungan si
Protect
Saskin.
middle.
Protect na si Saskin.
Protect middle.
Kakap si Saskin.
Protect middle.
Nakancel.
Uy!
Cap. Come on.
No.
Talo.
I died.
15 seconds. Come on. We need to cap.
Di.
Di.
Nice.
Nice.
Don't let him cap. Everything in the middle.
Panalo!
Everything in the middle
Eh,
now.
win the middle, every minute.
Panalo! Heal Baskin! Get that bitch!
Alright, recap.
Recap
We just
lang.
need a recap. Everything in the middle now. Everything in the middle.
Wala nang guild summon, fuck. OT ba yan?
Kailangan na i-recap. Oo,
Okay,
kailangan
okay.
kailangan makap.
Focus on Piton. Don't let them come in. Focus on Piton now.
Oh.
Piton. Everybody. Piton.
Nice.
Sa Piton kayo, D-Trix, Terra.
Okay na.